Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is about your person current feelings, okay, and their intentions towards you for the month February. So first we will see your person current feelings, then later we will see their intentions. So first, lot of cards. Your person current feelings. Devil. First card, Devil. Seven of Swords. Justice. Under the deck, Two of Wands. Pisces, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Your person thinking about you a lot. Yeah, for sure. They're thinking about you a lot. Literally day and night. All the time they're thinking about you. Okay. But the Devil, first card. They're obsessed with you. They're obsessively thinking about you. And they're addicted to you maybe. There is some bond between both of you. And this bond creates resistance in this connection. Sometimes it goes very negatively, what I'm getting here, because they're thinking about you, that you may be lying to them, cheated on them. Definitely there is some negative energy they're thinking about you. For some there is no communication or no contact situation between both of you. Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy with Devil card. Yeah, there are some issues right now going between you and your person. They're thinking about you obsessively day and night all the time. There is something mysterious in this connection, but Seven of Swords with Devil, definitely there is obsession. They're thinking about you, but I think in a negative way. Maybe they're thinking about your non-committal player type energy. And Justice here, they stand by their power, and your person is very grounded. And I think there are some second chances. Maybe you want second chance with them. Justice. Maybe for some there is no contact situation between both of you. But now your person thinking about second chances with you for some. Because Justice card is marriage and second chances. Maybe for some you approached recently. Maybe some communication had happened between both of you. Then they started thinking about you again to give second chance to them. Justice. But this is lost chance what I am getting here from this, because they know all about you, still they want to give second chance for them. For some your person literally cut you off, stand by their power. Some communication is also was happened between both of you. They're thinking about communicating. For some the communication had already happened between both of you. So for some I'm seeing some second chances. For some there is no chance for second chances your person thinking about. But your person knows all about you, your flaws, your positives and negatives. They know all about you internally and externally, because even though they're thinking, these two cards are here, for some your person thinking about second chances with you. Yeah, some communication, some clarity is also coming. So let's see their intentions, means their near actions towards you. Under the deck, Ace of Swords, communication and clarity again. So their actions towards you. Pisces, your person. Empress. Seven of Wands. Wheel of Fortune. Ace of Cups. Yeah, they have so much love for you. That's why they still thinking about to give second chance. Yeah, there is true love, and your person love towards you is overflowing. That's why they are unable to give up on you, and they are unable to move on from you. Seven of Wands. For some, your person maybe stand by their power, they're very defensive. Here two cases, one person want to give second chance, for another cases your person right now stand by their power and they're very defensive because they cut you off because you are non-committal. But another group, your person unable to move on from this person, and yeah, they're waiting for the right time. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, I think your person is stand by your power right now. They're very grounded. Yeah, they still want you back in their life, but in divine timing, they're waiting for the right time to take action towards you. Maybe they're waiting for you take action towards them. Okay, they're waiting for your message, for your call, Pisces. There is something waiting in divine timing. Yeah, they think. And again, Ace of Cups, but your person really loves you. There is so much love for you. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on an outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn. Princess of Wands. Two of Swords. Four of Cups. Maybe there is, for some, there is separation or low communication or less communication, no contact. Your person is feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. Maybe they are doing meditation, healing to overcome this pain. For some, there is missed opportunity. And Princess of Wands with Two of Swords. And yeah, some communication. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. Two of Swords. Your person is at some crossroads right now, Pisces. Yeah, maybe one part of them wants second chance with you and one part says no, don't want any chance with you. There is some confusion, your person, but there is so much love for you. But some communication is going to be happen between both of you, Pisces. Yeah, see, 10 of Cups. It's you and Emperor. Two cards. Again, same card Sagittarius reading also got. So if you want to see that reading, please watch, because these two cards are all the mutual cards which came in same Sagittarius reading. So 9 of Cups and 4 of Wands. Yeah, there will be, this relationship is going to be next level. Definitely there is wish fulfillment and happy. For some, you both could be twin flames also. Not all, for some. Definitely there is celebration, happy family is coming. And your person really, I think you also want this 10 of Cups happiness with your person. And this time you really want to offer commitment and marriage to this relationship. Yeah, Pisces, you also want this person in your life, and really you also want to, I think this person is your happiness, what I'm getting here. Maybe because your person, this person loves you even though there are some flaws in you, even though they know all about negative, still they have so much love for you, what I'm getting here. Because 7 of Swords with the Devil, sneaky energy. Maybe in past you hurt them, even though they are thinking about you, still they're thinking about you, and you wish fulfillment. And 9 of Cups, definitely there is wish fulfillment and reconciliation. If you are in separation with your person, yeah, they really want this happiness with you, they are wishing, but in divine timing, because Wheel of Fortune, they are waiting for right time. Maybe they are waiting for you to come towards them. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So yeah, judgment, some major decisions. Maybe you both are taking some major decision regarding this relationship, or one person in this relationship is going to be make their mind. Okay, this is a major decision. Judgment is here. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. But I am saying your person will give second chance to you, because in mutual energy is also 4 of Wands and 9 of Cups energy. Two cards. Conclusions are within reach. This is the message from universe for you, Pisces. so you have many doubts in you. Maybe it related to relationship or it could be related to work. Definitely conclusions are within reach. Some conclusions, some solutions are coming for your problems, for your questions. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.